Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is kind of like a nighttime routine, so it's what I do to keep the place clean before I go back to bed at night, because I love waking up to a clean house in the morning. I just feel like I could get the day started without any troubles. But guys, I thought I could take 10 minutes to do this because it was after 11 this night and we had a busy day, and I thought I could take 10 minutes to do it before going to bed. That didn't happen. It took me over 30 minutes. The kitchen alone took like 20 minutes to get done. Anyways guys, in this video you will see me the reason why I have these things over my butt is because I did not realize how thin these shorts were, and my panties were exposing, so it was like, so I had to put it, you'll see me putting it, covering it throughout the video, so I apologize for that. I just didn't have enough time to redo another video for today, so please bear with me guys, and I hope you stick around and watch till the end. And if you are new here, please do consider subscribing. It is totally free. It only takes a second and it costs nothing. Alright, I love to have you be a part of this growing community and join my, I call it my YouTube family and friends, because honestly I love you guys, and I think I spend way more time with you than I do with my actual family. So yeah. So here guys, I'm just loading and unloading the dishwasher, and I like to start in the kitchen first because just in case I run out of time, I like to at least wake up to a clean kitchen, because I hate waking up with the kitchen a mess. So I like to at least wake up with a clean kitchen, even if the rest of the home is a total mess. Oh, and I like picking up the girls' toys before I go to bed. I might be crazy because I'm just gonna, as soon as they wake up, they're just gonna mess the place back up. But I like picking the toys up before I go to bed also.
We drink juice from the sweetest berries and dance the night away. Count stars in the sky while the clouds roll by us. More clouds just to elevate. Hold hands when we need protection. Break bonds but we always plan them. Every heartbreak is a lesson. Let it go, don't be afraid. Find my love, don't lose it. Kiss my tears with music.
Guys, in the next clip, I'm just going to take a quick minute to share with you this hair product I got off Amazon. It's a microfiber hair cloth. So guys, this is what it comes looking like, and the bag has a how to use it, instructions on it, and so this is a using guide. You can wrap it in 2 different ways. It does come compressed. It's a microfiber hair towel. I get for hair care, dry hair quickly, and one size fits all. So guys, it is super absorbent, lightweight, supposed to reduce heat damage. It is suitable for all hair type, and it's easy to use. I'm going to leave a link to this product in the description box and the coupon code. You can check them out. So guys, it comes in a set of 3. This is the gray color, the light gray, you get the darker gray, and a pink color. Love them. So I'm going to use it. So it does come shrivel up because it came compressed, but once you give it a few washes, it should look like all straightened out. I love how easy this is to use, and it truly is one size fits all. As you can see, it does have a lot of room left, and I love the design and the feel of it. So guys, I just washed my daughter's hair and I'm using it on it. As you can see, one size does fit all because there was a lot of room left, so it can fit a bigger head size. I really love it. There's no water seeping through. It's really comfortable and it's so cute, and I love that it comes in a set of 3, so it'll be perfect for me and her. So guys, my hair is like this, that's why I didn't try it on my hair, plus my hair is not washed, but I probably could try it and see if it will fit overall this. But overall, I love it. I do love it.
Fill suitcases up and fly across the seas. Not a thing belongs to us. Even the air we breathe. Deep talks in the car while the world is sleeping. Bare feet on the ground while my mind stays dreaming. Find my love, don't lose it. Kiss my tears with music. Yeah. Find my love, don't lose it. Lay in the dark, but I'm always blue. Lay in the dark. Find my love, don't lose it. Kiss my tears with music. Find my love, don't lose it.
So guys, if you made it this far, I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave me a like and a comment. I would love to chat with you guys down there. Have a blessed day. I love y'all. So guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description box to the product. You can check them out on Amazon.